Everyone, this is Shreya Chakraborty. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you all a tutorial, not really a tutorial. I am going to show you all that how I created this look, this glam blue smoky look. And the interesting part of this video is that I have used only one brand, that is my absolutely favorite brand, Sugar Cosmetics. So this look is created by only Sugar Cosmetics. So for the delay, let's straight move into the video. First I will use Sugar's Bling Illuminating Moisturiser. It's in the shade 02 Pink Trippin, and will apply it all over my face because it gives a natural glowing look. Then I will use Sugar's Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer. Trust me guys, this primer is really so good. For foundation, I will use two foundations. Here I have taken one stick foundation from Sugar. Here my shade is 37 Freddo, and second one is Drop the Base Serum Foundation. That shade is also 37 Freddo. After that I will use Sugar's concealer. Here my shade is 12 called Leche. This concealer gives full coverage and blends really well. Next I will use Sugar's contour stick. It's in the shade 01 Fawn First. This stick is absolutely my favorite. After that I will use Sugar's stick blusher. It's in the shade 02 Pink Prime. Then I will blend the contour and the blusher. Now I will use Sugar's translucent powder to set the foundation. To define my eyebrows, now I will use Sugar's Arch Arrival Brow Definer. It's in the shade 04 Felix Onyx, dark blackish brown. For eye makeup, I will use Sugar's Eyeshadow Palette 02 Warrior. From this palette, I will use brown, black and shimmery blue color. Now I have started blending the brown color on my eyelids. Then I am applying the blue shimmery color. Next I will use black color and will mix it with all along together just to give it a smoky look. After that I will use Sugar's Coal of Honor Intense Kajal. For mascara, I will use Sugar's Uptown Girl Lengthening Mascara 01 Black Beauty. For bronzer, blusher and highlighter, I will use Sugar's Contour de Force palette. It has all three in one palette. Before applying highlighter, I will use Sugar's Grand Finale Dewy Setting Mist to set my whole makeup. Now I will use Sugar's Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick. It's in the shade 41 Got a Terracotta Burnt Orange. It is my absolutely all-time favorite lipstick. Okay, so my makeup is done. Let me just quickly show you all my whole look. Okay, so that's all. I hope you all have loved this video, how I created this look by using only Sugar Cosmetics. Then please do like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon क्योंकि मैं frequently videos post करती हूँ तो आप लोगों को notification मिलती रहेगी. तब तक stay safe, bye bye, see you in my next video.